Hello everybody, I'm so excited to show you my new iPhone 5s. I bought it from dhk.com from the seller ID Shenzhen. Let me show you how the phone feels. You can see it has very good finish, and it's so close with the original iPhone 5s. It has a gold color. You can see it's like this. You can remove this film. And like this. Film covered in the back for the protection, so looks very good. And here can remove this film. So let's see the experience. Okay, and here is the power button. Here is a SIM card tray, and here we have a loudspeaker, and this is a 8-pin connector, and this is a earphone jack. So it's totally same as the iPhone 5s. So you can, this is a volume, and this is a silence switch. Champagne code, has a camera, and so the print on the back is designed by Apple in California and assembled in China. So okay, and the home button. Okay, we get this. We can see the LCD screen. It's very clear and smooth. So maybe when I get this phone, I can show off to my friends to see, wow, I can get an iPhone 5s with over 100 bucks. Yeah, and the screen is 4-inch size, and the home button. But about the home button, it doesn't have the fingerprint sensor. Maybe in the future, the seller maybe will do it better. But now it doesn't have technology. So okay, let's just see. Okay, here is a interface of the phone, and can try to dial some. Yeah, you can see it has the same feature with yes. And now we can check the language. You can see so many languages here. Okay. Yes, we can see the screen quality is good, and the resolution is, I think it's perfect with the price for this phone.